Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can clear your browser data from the Metamask wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Metamask wallet application on your device and proceed with logging in using your biometrics or your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into your wallet page from which you can access your web browser at the bottom right corner. Now, if you wish to erase your browser data history, then tap on the gear icon at the bottom right and then tap on Security and Privacy. From this page, scroll down until you see the Clear Data options. Now, you have the option to clear your browser history underneath the Privacy Data option. Just tap on Clear Browser History and then tap on the Clear button. You can also clear the cookies by tapping on Clear Browser Cookies. After tapping on Clear once again, all of your browser data will be removed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear your browser data history on the MetaMask wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.